Hi guys, so today what we are making is pickle picarde. It's a very fancy name, I'll keep it very simple. It's savory pancakes with a filling of mushroom duxelle, finished with some white sauce or Alfredo sauce, whatever you like to call it, and Gruyere cheese. Hi everyone, this is Chef Ritesh here from gourmet.in. Welcome to the Gourmet Food Week. So now we are going to prepare a savory pancake or a crepe as you call it in French with a filling of mushroom duxelle. Mushroom duxelle is basically a filling made with chopped mushrooms, and we'll finish in the oven with some Gruyere cheese. That's it, it's a very simple recipe. So let's start first with the pancake. Now before I start, I want to say I'm making a savory pancake, French style, called as crepes, and I'm doing specifically an eggless version. This is a pure vegetarian dish. So let's first make the batter for the pancake. So as you can see, I'm using American Pancake Company's unbleached all-purpose flour. As I said, it's an eggless version. So I'll be adding some milk to it. Be adding a little at a time and then keep whisking it. Couple of pinches of salt. That's it. A little more milk. So the consistency of a crepe is generally very thin. It's like almost as thin as you can say of that of a dosa. So when you're making the batter, make sure that you're whisking it thoroughly. There shouldn't be any lumps. If at all you form any lumps, don't worry. You can just pass it through a strainer, a regular soup strainer at home. Now I'll add a little water to it as well. So it's generally half of milk and half of water. So if you can see, it's a nice and thin batter. All the lumps are not there now. I want to show you the running consistency of the batter. So these are very different from the American style pancakes which are generally served for breakfast. That is why it's so light on your belly. You know, it's a good quick lunch or an early dinner, whatever you like to have it with. So now we are ready. It's a thin batter, it's flowing. This is exactly what we need. And meanwhile, our pan is getting hot here. Let's start making the crepes. So the pan is nice and hot. So you can also do it in a non-stick pan. And just swirl it around. Swirl it to make a nice and a thin crepe. So let it cook on one side thoroughly, and then we will flip it and cook it on the other side. Do not play around with the crepe. Let it settle down. Let the bubble settle down. Let the crepe cook nicely from one side thoroughly. So now if you can see, I've cooked it at one side and I flipped it, and you just need to keep for like 2-3 seconds actually on the other side, and just lightly remove it from the pan and take your plate and turn over. Your crepe is ready for its stuffing. Let's now quickly make our stuffing. Some extra virgin olive oil, a touch of butter, so here you really need to just lightly saute the onions and garlic both. We really don't need any color on them. We just need to cook them a little bit so that the rawness is taken care. So the onions are done. Now in goes the garlic. So just lightly saute garlic as well. So we'll be finishing the crepe inside the oven with top with of some Alfredo sauce and some cheese on top. You can pre-prep the Alfredo sauce and keep. You can use the one which is easily available in the market, whatever you like. Now that the garlic is cooked through, let's add some chopped mushrooms. So generally in the mushroom duxelle, we deglaze the pan with white wine before adding the mushrooms, so that the richness is cut down. But I'm making a non-alcoholic version, so I'll be finishing it up with a bit of lemon juice towards the end, so that the dish is not way too rich. Some freshness from the citric of the lemon will balance the dish beautifully. Now that the mushrooms are cooked out, let's put some parsley, a touch of salt because we are going to add goat cheese to it, so not too much of salt, a bit of pepper, switch off the gas. We don't really need to cook the goat cheese, it's a very creamier cheese, it just needs to gel well with the mushroom filling. And as mentioned, little bit of lemon juice. Yes, our filling is ready. Now let's roll up our crepe. So you have to just roll it like a cigar. You don't have to close the ends. That's it, your cigar roll with the crepe is ready. So add cream to your bechamel sauce, your regular pasta sauce, whatever you want to call it. Season with a touch of salt, black pepper powder. Mix it thoroughly. Do remember to cook out the cream. A touch of nutmeg powder. So spoon over, like be generous with your Alfredo sauce when you're spooning it over of the crepe, because otherwise the dish will become way too dry. So I'm using Gruyere cheese here, that's called the authentic recipe. You can definitely use your choice of cheese if you like to use anything else. I like the nuttiness and the flavor of the Gruyere cheese, goes very well with a rich Alfredo sauce or a bechamel sauce. Let's now bake it in the oven. Let the cheese gratinate a bit and then we'll garnish it and we'll serve. So in a preheated oven, let's place it. Let it cook for some time till the cheese is melted and gratinated. So that's your fickle picaria out from the oven. You can see the cheese is nicely gratinated. Sprinkle of parsley on the top. That's it. And yes, fickle picardia is ready. To know more about us, check the link given on your screen and do order from us.